Today here I have got yet another recipe of rice which is lemon rice, and this is South India's one of the authentic, famous, daily, or whenever people travel in train or any place, they carry along with themselves this rice. This rice is so good and it doesn't spoil so fast. So today's recipe lemon rice will learn how to do it authentic way, which is in Tamil they say lemon sadam, in Telugu they say lemon rice. Now let's see how we do it. Let's make lemon rice. I have taken a vessel with water to boil the rice, and I have washed the rice, Sona Masuri rice, with water till it turns clear. Then I will add the rice in the water and make it for the as per the steamed rice. Should not be hard, should not be soft, it should be on the right way of cooking method, and it should be on a softer side, not messy kind. Now I am taking the two lemons, and will take the juices out and strain the, and this will not have the seeds come out into that juice. So I've taken the lemon juice. Now I'll put oil, fry the peanut till crispy. So I am putting the peanut. This is 50 gram of peanut, and you have to fry it till you can hear some crackling sound in the ear. When you hear that sound, from that time you have to measure the time for another 1 minute, reducing the fire so that it doesn't burn and it cooks internally and it's crispier. So that is the tip of Jayasri Kadai Katha channel. And please let me know if you like the crispy peanut or the softer peanut for eating with lemon rice in the comment below. And when this is done, kept for 1 minute, I'll be removing after some time. When that and it becomes crispy, when I'll remove. See, now it's crispy. I'm removing it, and in the same oil, I'll put red chili whole, the chana dal, chana lentil, then urad dal whole, then I'll fry this until brown. Actually, why I'm telling you this, I will fry till brown, because if I put the mustard in this time, it will become too colored or burnt, because this urad dal will take time to become golden. In this point of time, if you have added that mustard seed, it would have burnt because the sizes differs. So first you have to brown the big lentil with the smaller lentil. Then after that you have to put the mustard seeds or cumin seed if you are adding to it. I'll be adding the cumin seed later. So see, this has almost colored. Now I'll be adding the mustard seed. Then the measurement is half teaspoon of mustard seed, half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Green chilies, split green chilies, sprig of 2 curry patta leaves, then I'll saute it for a while. The boiled white rice what I have made, I'll mix in the lemon juice in this rice. I'll put little salt and 2 lemons juice. Now in a delicate manner mix the rice slowly so that the rice doesn't break. See, your masala is done. If you want more yellow color, you can put what quantity I put the turmeric. You can add little same quantity what I have added, double the quantity. That is basically 1 or half teaspoon of turmeric will be good. And you have to mix this along with the peanut. I'll be adding the peanut as well, all the peanuts, and I'll reserve little peanut for the last place of garnishing. Now I will in delicate hand mix in this seed mix and slowly and steadily mix all the rice together and ensuring all the rice has the flavor of lemon and the salt reaches each and every rice or the grain. If you like the recipe, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And the recipe is given. You can see the recipe. For any doubt, you can follow the recipe and make it. Make for your friends, family, and neighbors. Share the recipe with your friends and bidding you bye. Thank you for watching Jai Shri Karai Katha.